Welcome back to my channel. This is Mastermath tutorial. The class I'm taking is GSS 3. The topic we are treating so far is binary number. We've done addition in binary number, subtraction in binary number, and now I'm taking multiplication in binary number. So let's do a quick recap. The rules for addition is in tabular form, then in arithmetic form. So a 0 plus a 0 is a 0. A 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus a 0 is 1. Then 1 plus 1 is 10. So let's put it here. 0, 1, 1, 10. E.g., 11 plus 1, that is this 1 plus 1 will give you 10. That's 1 plus 1 will give you 10. You write your 0, you carry this one here. So 1 plus this 1 here will be 10. So you write your 10. This is how we get it. So 10 plus 1 is 11. Sorry. 10 plus 1 is 11. Why? 1 plus 1 is 10. So let's take a look at the subtraction tabular form. We have a 0 minus a 0 is a 0. A 0 minus 1 is 1. We have 1 minus a 0 is 1. Then 1 minus 1 is a 0. This is the arithmetic form. A 0. We have 1. We have 1. We have a 0. Very simple. Then 100 minus 1 is equal to 11. Just look at it here. Why 11 plus 1 is 100. So when you minus 100 minus 1 is 11. Then 10 minus 1 is 1. So now we're going to multiplication. In multiplication, I find some things that is useful for you. I found out 2 methods in which you can use any one. 2 methods in solving multiplication. We have the no converting method, just multiply it. Then we have the 2 converting method. This converting method is used when you have more or 3 or 4 or 5 digits. So it won't look cumbersome when you are now multiplying it, so that it won't take the whole of your page when you are multiplying. But for this no converting method, it's very good for small number figures, like 11 times 10, 111 times 11. So example 1, I have multiply the following using no converting method. A, B, the A part, that is 11 times 10. 11 times 10. Just normal way, the way you multiply. The 0 times 1 is equal to a 0. That's equal to a 0. Then 0 times 1. 0 times 1 is equal to a 0. Now, we pick this. We have used this. It means this. A 0 here. Then this 1 times 1. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. We call me 1. Then 1 times 1. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. 1. We do the addition. You carry this is a 0 down. That's a 0. 1 plus 0. Come to your addition tabular form. That's 1 plus a 0. That is 1. So you write 1. Only 1 that is here. You carry it down. So this is your final answer. So we go to B. That's 111 times 11. That is 111 times 11. You pick it again from here. That's 1 times 1. That's this 1 times this 1 is 1. You write it under it, 1. Then you pick the same 1 times this 1 up here. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Right, 1. The same 1 here. Because you use this first number digit to multiply the whole 3. So 1 times 1. That's 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Right, 1. So you pick the second number. This one. 1 times 1. It's just the way you did to this. 1 times 1. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. You put it under it, 1. Then 1 times 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Put it here. Then 1 times 1. Last one. Times 1 is equal to 1. Put it here. Yes. Then you add. So there's nothing here. You carry this one down. If you remember, in addition, 1 plus 1 is equal to 10. You write a 0, carry down 1. So you write your 0, carry down your 1. Carry down your 1. So come here. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 10. Plus the 1 up here, that is 11. Write 1, carry the other one down. Let's write 1. So remain 1 here. This 1 plus the 1 we carry down, that is 10. So now write your 10. That is the answer. So we go to example 2. Example 2, in which we'll be using the converting method. I will explain what I mean by converting method to you as we go on. One question on it. That's 10111 times 1. You can see 10111. By the time you are now multiplying, it will take the whole of your book. Unlike this one that has just 3 digits and 2 digits, but this one have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So for you to work conveniently, that's why we are using the converting method. We convert. The question is in binary. Now you convert to decimal by multiplication of 2, because it's in binary. What do I mean? You pick this figure first. That is 10111. This is how you convert. You pick. When you are doing conversion, it's always like the last figure here is 0. The one following is 1. The next is 2. The next is 3. The last one is 4. These are the position of the numbers. I'll take it again. When you are converting, now convert to decimal by multiplication of 2. And we have 10111. The last number here, when you are converting, is 0. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. What do I mean? You pick this one, that's 1 times this 2 raised to power 4 here. Because that's the position of that figure. Then plus, you pick the next digit, that is 0. That is 0 times 2 raised to power 3. Is here. Plus, you pick the next figure, that is 1. 1 times this 2 raised to power the position 2. Plus, you pick the next number, that is 1. 1 times this 2 here, 2 raised to power 1. Plus, the last one is 1. 1 times 2, and is what is 0. Is 0 there. Let me take it again. It's very simple. When you are doing conversion, it's very, very simple. Now, we are converting this back to decimal for us to work, to solve the solution, to solve the question, sorry. What I did is that you, first of all, place the digits in their position. The last number here is 0. Just any number, even if you are given 111101, starts from the beginning at the back of the last digit. The position is 0. The next is 1. The next is 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it, the position of the figure. That's what I've done here. So after doing that, now we have known our positioning. So we want to multiply. You pick one, the very first one, times 2. This 2 raised to power this 4. Plus the next digit, 0 times 2. This 2 raised to power the next 3. We pick the next figure, 1 times 2. The 2 up here. Then the position 2. Then we pick the next number, that's 1. That is 1 times 2. Then the position, this 2 here, 1, this one. Then the last number, which is 1. 1 times 2 raised to power 0. After we have done that, so we start multiplying. That is 1 times, that's 2 raised to power 4. That is, you have 2 in 4 places. That's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. You go to the next. Plus 0 times brackets, open your bracket, 2 in 3 places. 2 times 2 times 2 plus 1 times this 2 in 2 places. Open your bracket, 2 times 2 plus 1 times 2 in just 1, that is 2. Then plus, we have the last number here, 1 times 2 raised to power is 0 in decimal form. In decimal, anything raised to power is 0 is always 1. So in this case, we have this 1 times. In this case, we have 1 times 2 raised to power 0. That is 1 times 1 is equal to 1. So in this last, we have 1. 1. Here plus, we have 1 plus here, we have 1 times 2, that is 2. Here we have 3. We have 2 rather. Here we have 2. That's 1 times, that's 2. 2 times 2, that is 4. This place we have 2 times 2, that's 4. 4 times, that is 2 is 8. Here we have 2 times 2, that's 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2, that's 16. So we now have, let me explain, 1 times 16 plus 0 times 8 plus 1 times 4. These are 8 on here plus 1 times 2. Then the last one plus 1 times 1. Therefore, don't let this one confuse you. Let me just bracket it out of the equation. This is 8. Yeah. So we now have 16 plus 0. Anything 0 times 8, that is 0, plus 1 times 4, that is 4, plus 1 times 2, that is 1 times, sorry, here it should be 4. Okay, it's 2, sorry, it's 2, because it's raised to power 1. 2 plus 1. So we have converted it back to decimal. So 16 plus 0, that is 16. 16 plus 4, that's 20. 20 plus 2, that is 22. And 22 plus 1, that's 23. We have 23. So we've succeeded in converting this to decimal. We've converted to decimal now. Okay, we've succeeded in converting the one of the number. So we have to convert this 11 to. The way I've told you, the last number here is a 0, and this position of this one is 1. So we want to convert it now. 1 times 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0. So 1 times 2 is 2 plus 1 times, I told you in decimal form, anything raised to power 0 is 1. So we have 2 plus 1, that is 3. So the figure for 10111 is 23, while the figure for 11 is 3. We now replace them as 10111 times 11. For this figure is 23 times, for this figure is 3. Therefore, now say 23 times 3. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 2 is 3 times 3 is 9. That's it. Then 3 times 2 is equal to 6. That's 6. we have 69. Now this is in, we have succeeded in converting to decimal form. Now we want to get, this is our result after we convert to decimal. Now we want to convert this figure back to binary. Convert back to binary by division. So let's go. We are still going to use the no converting method. But we see, maybe we arrive at the same answer. For us to be convinced, we have 62, 69, 69. We have 69. So we divide by 2. Convert back to binary by division. So how many times 2 will go in 6? That is 3. How many times 2 will go in 9? That is 4. Remainder 1. How many times 2 again? How many times 2 will go in 3? That is 1. Remainder 1. You add it to this, that is 14. How many times 2 will go in 14? That is 7. Remainder is 0. Doesn't remain anything. So we divide again. How many times 2 will go in 17? That is 8 times. Remainder 1. We divide it again. How many times 2 will go in 8? That is 4. Remainder is 0. How many times 2 will go in 4? That is 2. Remainder is 0. How many times 2 will go into 1? Remainder is 0. So how many times 2 will go in 1? That is 0. Remainder 1. If you want to write the answer, you write from down up. So our answer is, you pick it, 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1. That is our answer. For our answer for 1 0 1 1 1 times 1 1 is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 1. This converting is best for when you have digit number more than 3, more than 4. It helps you to work more and efficiently rather than doing it like this. Although we are going to multiply it like this, maybe we're going to arrive at the same answer. So let's go. Okay, using the first method, no converting. We're not going to convert it, to just multiply it like that. But you see that it's cumbersome for you to do. Although you arrive at your answer, but when you convert it, it make you work more efficiently, as I earlier said. So we want to convert times 1 0 1 1 1 times 11. Let's go. You pick this one, 1 times 1 up here, that is 1. You write 1. You pick the same, this number, you use it in multiply the up before using the second one. 1 times the number is the number. So 1 times 1, again, 1 times 1 is 1, right? 1 times third 1, 1 times 1 is equal to 1, write it. So 1 times is 0. 1 times is 0 is 0. You put 0. 1 times 1. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Put. Now you now pick the second number. 1 times this 1 here. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. You put it under the second number. 1. Then 1 times 1. 1 times 1, which is 1. Put it here. Then this 1 times the third one. That's 1 times 1 is equal to 1. 1, put it here. Then 1 times 0. 1 times 0 is equal to 0. Write 0. Then 1 times 1, the last one. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Put it. Now you had. I want to see if we're going to arrive at the same answer. Addition, always remember your addition rules. Let's quickly draw our addition rule. It's pretty, that is addition plus, that is we have 0 1 0 1. If we still remember, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 10. So now we carry this one down, there's nothing. 1. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 is 10. That's 1 plus 1 is equal to 10. Write 0. Carry down your 1. So 1 plus 1. You've carried down your 1. You have another 1 plus 1 is 10. Plus the 1 up, that is 11. Write 1. Carry down the next 1. So we have 1 plus 0. Let's write it. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Plus the 1 up here is 10. Write 0. Carry your 1 down. Let's carry it down. So 0 plus 1 is 0 plus 1. That is 1. So 1 plus 1 up here, that is 10. Write 0. Carry down your 1. You can see it's cumbersome. 0, carry down your 1. So this 1 plus the 1 that we carry down here, that's 1 plus 1. That is 10. Now write your 10. See? It's very cumbersome. We arrive at the same answer. When we convert, this is what we arrive at, the same answer. That's 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 1. The same thing. 1 0 0 0 1 0 1. When you convert, it makes the work easier for you. Convert. I really explain. When you convert, make it easier for you, and you quickly convert back to binary, you get your answer. But when you just multiply any number that is more than 3, 4, 4, 5, it's better for you to convert rather than multiplying it straight. So I'm going to give us some homework for us to do so that you can submit them, and I will mark them and send back your answer. Okay guys, we've come to the end of today's lesson. I have some assignment for us. Multiply the following: 11 times 10, be 1011 times 11. 2. Multiply using converting method. Just 11011 times 11. In this, the first question, in this B, you can use the converting, whatever that is convenience for you, or seems that anything, any of the method that works for you. I will appreciate it. You can submit it to WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 0806924189 or estherlion@gmail.com. So always remember to give me thumbs up. You can also press the notification button so that any video that I upload, you will get notified. Give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will appreciate comment, anything that you want to say that is bothering you. If you have questions, you can comment. I will get back to you. Thank you so much. Thank you. This is Mastermath tutorial. Once again, thank you for taking out your time to go through this. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.